Namaskar, Premji. Thank you for
Namaskar once again.
thank you for being with us with another great story that you promised about that thalassemia baby. And I am so fortunate that the family has agreed to speak with us and share their story. Where are you right now?
I'm right now at Taposh Ganguly's house. It's in Deshbandhupara in Jalpaiguri, West Bengal, India. Here I am sitting just with a baby. You can see here. She is Trishika. I'm just sitting with her here. And few days back, she was COVID positive tested, and she had fever. She had a lot of other symptoms, and they started allopathic treatment.
Mhm.
And then day by day, she started deteriorating. As
How
she is
old is she?
thalassemic baby, she is
How
4 years old. One of my videos got viral. Taposh, the father of the baby, he contacted me in the evening, and I rushed to the place in the morning.
how many days she had been sick by the time you got to her?
uh, 4 or 5 days.
Okay.
Now you better talk to the father. He will tell you a lot about this.
Thank you for being here.
Once again, good evening.
Good evening. What made you contact
Yes,
Premji?
when my baby was started fever, after 4 5 days, we are got a COVID test, and that time her hemoglobin also 6 point something 6.52. Blood transfusion also needed that time. So we
Correct.
are very much disturbed that time, and doctor says antibiotic, paracetamol, like this type of medicine we are started. I saw the news channel, Channel Bangla. That time calling to Dada, and Dada says, okay, I'm coming, and started my cyst at 2 days.
Can I speak with your wife,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Rishika's
obviously.
mother? What is your name?
Sushmita.
Tell me a little bit about your feeling, like what was going that time when Rishika was sick and when she was recovering. You can speak in Bangla, like Premji can translate.
ফার্স্ট টাইম যখন দাদার সাথে দেখা হয়
First time she met me,
তখন আমার মেয়ে টোটাল লেথার্জিতে ছিল, মানে উঠতেই পারছিল না, জাস্ট শুয়েই ছিল।
at that time my daughter was very much energyless, and she was only lying on bed. She did not have amount of energy in her. When I came to this place, I saw the baby was completely lying on bed without any strength in the body. She was not even willing to talk to anybody or communicate to anybody. She was very much exhausted. She was taking all the medicines which is prescribed here during this COVID. She was in a very bad condition when I saw her.
Okay.
And then I said, I promised, I assured the father that nothing is going to happen. Have faith on me, have faith on my protocol. She will be all right. And the
Great.
first day started, same protocol, 3-step fluid diet protocol.
So these were her symptoms. She had fever, she had weakness, but there was nothing else like cough and body ache. All of that was not there. Was it there?
Cough was there. Cough ছিল না
না
হালকা?
না কফ ছিল না, জ্বর, ফিভার 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 ছিল।
Oh, cough started later on, but at the beginning she had fever. Fever
So
for 7 days. Fever was going and coming. When the paracetamol was being charged, it was less,
yeah.
and again after some time it used to be there.
So what did you do the first day?
Only fluid, coconut water, citrus food, only fluid.
How much did you give her?
And 3 4 times coconut water, 1 hour citrus food, after 1 hour coconut water,
So you kept giving her every hour.
every hour.
And how much ever she could drink, right?
Right,
Like
right.
how, 1 glass, half glass, whatever she could drink, you gave her.
200 ml. 4 years baby is required 200 ml.
So she drank all of it.
Oh, exactly.
Okay. So end of the first day, did you see any improvement?
No,
She did not respond. She was on bed only, just lying. On the second day when I came, the father said, Dada, what's going to happen? Will she be all right? She does not respond to anything. She doesn't even talk. She's like just like sleep lying on. She doesn't have any energy.
Mm.
yeah, she was very much disturbed, and they were rather very much disturbed because
Yes.
the baby actually thalassemia baby, she has to be,
Infused
they
with
have to,
blood.
yeah, yeah. And then I said nothing will happen. By evening she will be all right,
Mm.
because I could read some changes in her, but which is not explainable. You cannot explain it in words.
Yes.
But I saw that, I could see the things. And then, and suddenly in the evening, the father called me and said, Dada, today she woke up and said, play with me.
Second day evening, suddenly he says me, Papa, please play with me, sing with me, dance with me.
Nice.
Just after 2 days, and my baby is uh, same normal behavior.
So the fever went away the first day,
First day.
but you were still continuing with the coconut citrus fruit, coconut and citrus fruit
Yeah.
juice. So then what happened third day?
Third day is normally behavior. Everything is normal. Then we are talk with Dada. Say what is the next protocol? So Dada says same protocol till 12. Till 12 fruit salad. After salad, and then rice.
Okay. So what salad did you give her?
Cucumber, onion, and tomato.
And then fourth day onwards, it was back to normal.
Back to normal and back to normal diet also.
Very nice. Wonderful. So what do you think of this protocol?
It's not a like medicine, just
Yes.
normal food, but it's very
Yes.
much needed in our body.
So I'm very happy that Trishika is fine. Tell me, what do you think about Premji's protocol? Biswaroop Roy Chaudhary ji's.
This is very nice.
Are you also going to now start looking at food in a new way? Food has the power to heal. Simple things can heal us.
রাইট। এবং ও যখন মানে দাদা যখন বললো যে সমস্ত খাবারগুলো খাওয়াতে হবে সেগুলো ও কোনোদিনও খাইনি এরকম ব্যাপার।
And the protocol Dada means Prem Upadhyay suggested doing, it was the first time for her in her life that she had ever tested such kind of things like coconut water, citrus fruit juice in such a amount. I mean, whole day she will be with this protocol. It was the first time for her.
তো আমি একটু ঘাবড়ে গিয়েছিলাম, তারপর দেখলাম যে দাদার কথা মতন দাদা বললো যে সমস্ত কিছু বাচ্চাদেরকে চেষ্টা করতে হয়, তো ওটা করার পরে তার আগে আমার মেয়ের 7 দিন জ্বর ছিল।
So I was confused and very much tensed seeing my daughter, because she had already been suffering from fever for 7 days. And then when Dada said that no, sometimes you have to make a habit, you have to grow a habit in the kid. So then
Yes.
I started doing this.
Did you
আস্তে আস্তে ওগুলো খাওয়া আরম্ভ।
did you trust? Did
Then
you
slowly, I mean, I started trying,
Yes.
trusting on Dada's protocol. And then she started applying. The daughter also started consuming, and it became a habit, like after
Yes.
the first day.
তারপর আস্তে 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 দেখলাম 2 দিনের মধ্যে ও টোটালি ঠিক হয়ে গেল। তবু একদিনের মাথায় যখন ওর লেথার্জি কাটছে না তখন দাদাকে আমি জিজ্ঞাসা করলাম, দাদা একদম শুয়ে আছে সব সময়তে, আমি কি করবো এখন?
After the first day, even she was not getting up. She didn't have any energy. She was like just lying on bed, like doing nothing, not without talking to anybody. So then I said, Dada, is it all right? Will she be okay? This was my question to Prem Upadhyay.
Right.
তারপর তার আগেও আরেকটা ঘটনা হয়েছিল, তার আগে ওর ব্লাডটা কমে যায়। তো ও তার আগে 3 উইক ধরে ওর কোনো খাওয়া দাওয়া টোটালি বন্ধ ছিল, এর ফলে ও আরো উইকনেস ওর মধ্যে চলে আসে।
Before that, hemoglobin counting was very less.
Yeah.
So for 7 days or more, she had left eating anything. So that's why again, after 7 days of suffering, again she had fever, and she was under medication with kiki oshud dewa hoche, azithromycin, paracetamol. These were the medicines she was given. Again she was weak, very weak.
Right. So you were scared, right? That time.
Yes.
I said I used to come to the place because the baby is very much serious, and I used to come here sometime once a day, sometime twice a day.
Okay.
and I used to keep in touch with over phone.
Okay.
Every time I used to ask about assured the father and mother. Sometimes the mother used to cry. Okay,
Yeah.
she was so much emotional. Actually, the baby is already sensitive.
So now are you scared?
No.
Now you know what to do.
Yes.
And one thing I would like to add here, one more thing, that now at present, at the moment in Jalpaiguri, in my place,
Yes.
media is trying to create a hype, because this is the season actually. During this period, so many kids get, I mean, ILI, influenza-like illness. There are so many now kids, they have been admitted to hospital. Media, as it has been doing from the beginning, trying to terrorize the people here. And now to some extent people are also terrorized, and every day I am now live on Facebook so that I can convince some people that don't get terrorized, don't get
Yes.
afraid of these news and all.
So you have been fine, right? Both of you and your husband have been fine.
Yes, ma'am.
You were not infected by the virus, right?
No. Before 3 months, my mother-in-law expired due to COVID. But that time we are not connect with our great dada. That time, if possible, I think we are not lost our mother-in-law.
Yes.
And now you can see the baby here. Tuntuni Muntuni baby here.
So otherwise she is okay, right?
She is in thalassemia patient. So
Yes.
after 2.5 months, 3 months, she needed blood transfusion. Very much concerned about this type of treatment. It's very costly treatment.
Somebody from her family, she
Yes.
called this lady Bunu, Trishika's mother, and Trishika simply said, "Why should I be worried? My Prem Upadhyay, my dada is there." So this is the confidence they have I have gained on them, and they have gained on me. Overall, they have gained on this three-step diet protocol as prescribed by Dr. Bishwara Chaudhary. There is the baby, when she was asked if you have fever, what will you do? Trishika smartly said, "Why? I'll drink the juices and the things, coconut water and juice."
আর কি খাবে? আর কি খাবে? ওষুধ কি খাবে? ওষুধ কি খাবে?
So mother is asking, "Will you take medicine?" So she says, "No." And what will you eat? So I'll drink
কি খাবে?
coconut water. কি
ত্রিশিকা,
খাবে?
তুমি কি খাবে?
কি
বলো।
খাবে? জ্বর আসলে কি খাবে?
বলো, coconut water বলো তো। হ্যাঁ।
তাকিয়ে বলো।
ধন্যবাদ ত্রিশিকা।
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Premji. And everybody, Bono and Trishika and Tapash Bhai.
One thing I would like to tell you, that we belong to a very middle class family. So this is a very costly kind of treatment. So this is my keen request to the people. If they come forward to helping this kid by any means, you are most welcome.
How do they reach you?
Let them contact you first, and then we will manage it.
It is clear from these stories of healing that the fear that is being created around us is in large parts misplaced and unwarranted. There are many able people out there that can help us keep our immune system strong and heal if we were to fall sick. Dr. Biswaroop Roy Chaudhary and his team can be reached from anywhere in the world. The best thing about their protocols is that they are drug-free, chemical-free, medicine-free. They are entirely food-based, foods that we can get from anywhere, wherever we live. If you would like to support their work, help them, and donate to them, please reach out to me through this YouTube channel, in the comment section, or through my blog, the link to which is provided in the description below. We are not as helpless as we are led to think. We are strong and capable. Subscribe to stay connected with these wonderful, inspiring stories.